Yellow!
Hola.
My name is Hardis,
My name is Lina.
and we are currently traveling the world, and now we are in Bali. And today we are going to see some very famous waterfall in Ubud and some very famous rice fields. And we're gonna take you with us. It's also our very first YouTube video in English, so
Don't judge.
don't judge. And it's the very first time I'm gonna take this brand new bike to that far distance. So let's go.
Hola.
Ir.
Wait. Let's go. Before we go on adventure, we need to take care of some small little things that may interest you also, like how to get an internet and exchange money. So yeah. First we need to get a SIM card.
We have to
Renew. Top up.
because we already have.
Yeah.
I already have a budget, so I need more internet.
You can top up internet.
Yes. This is our little travel buddy.
Grandson.
He's so cute and
It's a grandson.
adventurous spirit.
Adventure spirit grandson. 40 gigabyte SIM card costs around 12-15 euros if you get a new SIM card.
I have 40 gigabyte for 100.
40 for 100 and more.
But if you renew it, it will be like 6 euros or 100,000 local Indonesian rupiah.
40 gigabyte for 3 weeks. This better.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
I think 40 is okay.
Yeah, 40. Yeah.
Very, very good.
Very good deal, my friend.
This one already 40 gigabyte. Yeah.
Yes.
Wow,
Very nice.
amazing. Amazing, very good.
Thank you.
Terima kasih. Bye bye.
Have a good day.
You too.
Actually, terima kasih means thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay.
And goodbye means sumpai jumpai means goodbye. Sumpai jumpai.
No, see you later.
See you later. Sumpai jumpai.
It's my voice.
Next stop is money exchange. Be careful because some money exchange are cheaters, so you have to look for authorized with the camera inside. We are from Latvia, so euros. Very good rate today. I absolutely love Balinese people. They're so nice. You'll see. Hello, how are you? Good morning.
500.
Yes, maybe give me a little better.
It's better. Give you. Yeah.
It's the best, yeah.
Yeah, it's the best.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 640.
604.
Yes, I'll have more. That's me.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you bring your passport,
Passport.
or driver license?
Driver license I have.
Yeah. Oh, you already have your
Yes, I have.
driver license.
Amazing, yeah.
Okay.
Disney age, not puzzle.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not sure they understand my stupid jokes, but they always play along. I love it. So yeah, always avoid exchange money where there is better rate at these small booths. They're all cheaters. Go for this one.
The lamp, it's all blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
So it's fake.
No, it's not fake, but I think it's a mark of oil or yeah, something like
I
that.
spend this in Latvia.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I spend it. It's
Uh-huh.
okay. Don't worry.
No.
So yeah,
Just
so 500.
590. Yeah.
It's good. It's good.
This is very large. Not how much? Almost 10 million.
Almost 10 million.
Sorry. Yeah. 94. 94. So it's 9,400,000.
9,400,000.
Yeah. It's 33. You can count it again.
Very good. I'm not counting. I think I trust you.
Yeah.
Yeah, very fair.
Do you need envelope?
Envelope? Yes, yes.
Okay, sure.
1 million rupiah is 60 euro.
Give me
If you
something.
want to become a millionaire, you should come to Bali.
This is for the coffee.
Okay, before we seriously hit the road and go to the waterfall, we need to fill up the gas. So go to the tank.
Now we are at petrol station. Petrol costs 60 cents and it uses only 3 liters. So you have to be pretty crazy motherfucker to spend more than $30 a month. You can count together us, yeah? Yeah. We're making YouTube video. It's our very first YouTube video, very first. So maybe you'll be famous after 5 years.
Where are you from?
Latvia.
Europa?
Huh?
Europa?
Europe, yeah, no. Yeah, North Europe. Small country, small country. 2 million people only. Less than Bali.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't know how much it's because it's not showing. Nothing, yeah.
And 66,000.
96. It's okay, don't worry, yeah?
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Have a good day, bro.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah.
Enjoy, yeah?
Good luck.
Good luck, yeah?
Now we are slowly getting out of the city because we are going to waterfall. 1 hour drive for us now. So happy to get out and see rice fields again. After some time we got real thirsty, so we stopped for a coconut.
20,000! Yeah, oh, so expensive! 2 coconuts for 30,000. Okay, good deal. Maybe you have cold, no? You have cold? Cold you have? Cold, no? Cold you don't have, no? What? Cold, from fridge. No have? Okay, no problem. It's good, 2 coconut, 2, yeah? Terima kasih. Terima kasih. 1,000 or 10,000.
Okay, 8,000 is really small coconut.
But 10,000 is the
10,000
big,
would
cold
make it 12.
coconut in Canggu. But it's okay. We just,
It's good deal.
it's good. Oh, so big. Yeah? Terima kasih. Big coconut. You can see.
Wow, you have a lot.
A lot.
Me.
That doesn't mean you need to eat this. We have a party here.
Okay, it was really refreshing and nice coconut, but it's time to pay and go. We spent a little bit more time than we expected, so yeah, time to pay.
Terima kasih. 2 coconut, yeah? Yeah. Huh? Huh? More. 40. We agreed on 30. Okay. Give me 10 more. 40, yeah? Correct? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I think she didn't understand that we agreed on 30. Anyway, as a foreigners, it's okay to pay a little bit more and to support locals, so it's normal in Bali. But now, really, not stopping and going to waterfall.
We have 10 million.
Yeah, 10 million have to go with us, you know, honestly. It's difficult.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Okay, let's go. We have to pay ticket there.
Oh ya.
Thank you.
Terima kasih. Sampai jumpa. Sampai jumpa. Sampai jumpa. Hey, hello. I'm good. How are you? Terima kasih.
Yeah, welcome to waterfall, yeah?
Yeah.
Waterfall, Tegenungan waterfall.
Tegenungan waterfall. Amazing.
The best waterfall in Bali.
Best waterfall. They're all the best. How much ticket?
30,000.
30,000.
Not expensive.
Very good. Good deal.
One nasi goreng.
One nasi goreng.
Yeah, 30,000.
Yeah. She go expensive place, so it's only one nasi goreng, 2 tickets. Yeah.
No.
So it's very good.
Yes, good stretch, yeah.
Terima kasih.
Welcome. Yeah.
What do you say? The ticket is here. Oh, for me too, yeah?
For the party.
Oh, very good. Terima kasih. Wow, wow, wow. And this is the waterfall for the first time.
Actually, she's very popular.
Yeah.
Very good spot for your idea.
There's a waterfall. There is a very beautiful cafeteria. And there is a glass bottom bridge. So it's quite touristy area, yes. Everybody's taking pictures here. Very nice. What do you think?
And here it is, Tegenungan waterfall. It's really beautiful, but if you ask me from my heart, 100% honesty, it's not my favorite in Bali. For the simple fact, it is a lot more touristy than waterfalls in the north, like Second Pool or Ling, but still very nice. And it was not possible to swim today because recently it was a lot of rain. So we decided not to go down and as quickly as possible go to rice fields because already getting a little bit late. 40 minutes on the road and we are at the rice fields.
Okay, that was our long ride, but now we have arrived in the rice field.
Hungry and I want to swim in the swimming.
She wants something like this.
I want some.
For the pool, we have people stand.
Yeah, we know.
400,000 rupiah per each person.
No.
Okay.
You will do?
Yes.
Yeah.
This moment we have a day bed available, so you need to do the deposit first. 800,000 rupiah for two.
Yeah.
So this deposit you can use for spend for credit, food and drinks, but it's excluding tax and service charge.
It's a date, you know. It's, honeymoon.
Okay.
Good. We make a deposit over there and some clean towel also.
Okay, terima kasih.
Sama-sama. Wow, you speak bahasa.
Oh yeah.
Just a little.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah.
Your name, please?
Hard days.
Pardon?
Hard days.
Hardy.
Hard days, yeah.
So this way is
Oh, sorry.
your bill.
Okay.
If it's less than 800, no refundable. If more, you pay the balance.
Okay, perfect. Terima kasih.
Yes, it's very beautiful.
This is actually a very nice place. I like it. Very tasty food here.
Very good.
And we were very hungry, so that is a good combination. So eat quickly and then we go to the secret spot in this cafe. Usually nobody comes here. It's like a little secret for us that we know, that we can go down and there is a small pool just for two of us. So it's amazing. Wow, yes, it's really beautiful. If somebody interested, the name of the rice field is Tegallalang.
We have our own pool.
And all rice field.
An own rice field. So
And if you wondered, yes, I did manage to get up to the pool. So yeah, it's amazing place. The cafe is called This Cafe, by the way. So beautiful.
okay, we are back up at this cafe.
Actually, we have to go home really fast
Really?
because
Because it's only half an hour until it's dark and I don't have the lights. Maybe I will have the lights. 50-50, let's try. Is here. If it goes up, it's up, and not with no,
yes, we have a light. Very good. Woohoo! Let's go home. Okay, guys, thank you for the watching and bye.
red light. We met some beautiful Balinese family. This is how they drive, like 4 people on one bike. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.